Welcome to JD's Prep. In this problem, we are asked whether the solution to the quadratic equation 0 equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 10 is rational or irrational, and then justify our answer. In order to determine whether a solution to a quadratic equation is rational or irrational, we want to look at the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. In order for our solution to be a rational number, then b squared minus 4ac will have to be a perfect square. So this will be rational if a perfect square. So things like 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. If it is not a perfect square, then our solution is going to be irrational. So all we need to do in order to answer the question is to take the values of a, which in this case is the 2, b, which is 3, and c, which is negative 10, and plug them into the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. If I do that, b squared, I'm going to have 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 10. Three squared is 9. Minus 4 times 2 is minus 8 times negative 10. And negative 8 times negative 10 is positive 80. So we have 9 plus 80, which is 89. The number 89 is not a perfect square. And since 89 is not a perfect square, that means that the solution to this equation is going to be irrational. So if all you do is check the discriminant, plug in the values of a, b, and c, paying very close attention to the signs on those numbers, because if you mix up the signs, then your discriminant is not going to have the correct value. Pay close attention to the signs, plug them into the discriminant, and see if the result is a perfect square or not a perfect square. If it is, then your answer is going to be rational. If it is not a perfect square, your answer will be irrational.